Developing reliable additive products for marine lubricants requires rigorous formulation and testing in the laboratory, followed by evaluation in test engines and commercial-scale field demonstrations. Original equipment manufacturers require marine lubricants to be field tested and engines to be inspected to validate the lubricant's performance. Oronite's experienced team, extensive resources, and network of well-established relationships combine to form an industry-leading field testing capability to support our marine lubricant customers.
When I started at Oronite, we were at 6 ships, 30 inspections per year. Today we are a little bit more than 30 vessels and we are close to 100 inspections per year. Field test team obviously grew with the number of inspections. We went from 2 field test technicians to 4.
Field testing is a complex and time-consuming process. First, there is the process of selecting a suitable engine and operational pattern and arranging the required logistics. As the next step, the engine's initial condition is documented with a start of test inspection. The engine subsequently runs on the lubricant for a significant period, during which time the condition of the engine is monitored closely. This is done through used oil analysis and interim inspections to follow the engine condition and discuss any findings with the chief engineer. Finally, the engine's condition is documented with an end-of-test inspection. Depending on the OEM and the lubricant category, the field testing requirement can be between 1,000 and 6,000 hours. In addition to thorough test procedures and an experienced team, close collaboration with OEMs and shipping operators is essential to successful field testing. New engines are continuously being developed in response to changing operating environments and regulatory conditions.
We want to understand what the OEM is doing with their engines to be prepared for the future and exchange ideas on where the industry is going to also be better prepared. We've established ourselves as a reliable partner. They now think about contacting Oronite when they see something and discuss the issue and see whether we can help them come up with a solution.
Our experience in partnering with additives and lube oil companies has been very good. The closer we work together, the faster we can have a good engine out in service.
During field testing, Oronite works closely with ship operators at all levels, including captains, superintendents, and chief engineers. They entrust us with their vessels to conduct field trials, and we in turn provide them with information which allows them to gain a better understanding of how their engines operate.
So the fact that we are testing on board of their vessels really helps them to understand, is my engine still doing well or not, both by the support that we provide them, but also by the fact that the OEM in those tests is also coming on board a lot more often than they otherwise would do.
Engine and field testing is critical to successful introduction of reliable, high-performance additive solutions for marine lubricants.
Oronite is successful in the shipping industry because we have strong relationship with OEMs and shipping companies that allow us to understand what they need to be successful. We develop our products and test those extensively in field testing to make sure that in the end we deliver the products that shipping companies can rely on to make sure that their ships don't break down in the middle of the ocean.
Oronite has invested in and expanded its capabilities and collaboration to enable our customers to develop and commercialize new lubricant additive technology. Field testing is an integral part of the product development process. As engines evolve and the marine industry changes, Oronite is committed to providing solutions that are proven in real-world conditions.